In math, the binomial theorem gives a way to expand a binomial expression raised to a power. The concept is expressed by the following formula, where NCR is the binomial coefficient, which is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. You may also see NCR written as NR like this, or NCR. Let's apply this to an example so you can better understand it. Here the question says, find the first two terms in ascending power of x in the expansion of 2 minus 3x to the power of 4. First, we can identify a, b, and n. So a is 2, b is negative 3x, and n is 4. So you want to look out for whether you should give your answer an ascending or descending power of x. So in this case, it's an ascending. So for ascending powers, start with the constant term an, a to the power of n. But for descending terms, you would start with a term with x in it. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and n into the formula. So we would get So now we have the following equation. So to solve the binomial coefficient here, we want to use the binomial coefficient formula. So it would be n factorial over r factorial, n times n minus r factorial, which would be 4 factorial over 1 factorial times 4 minus 1 factorial. So essentially what a factorial is all the positive integers from 1 to n. So it would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 for 4 factorial over 1 factorial is just 1 times 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 times 2 times 1, which will be for 3 factorial. And then you'll notice that 3 times 2 times 1 will cancel each other out. So 4c1 is just 4. Now we have 16 plus 4 times negative 3x, which is just 16 minus negative 96. So the first two terms in ascending power of x and the expansion of 2 minus 3x to the power of 4 is this.